can support a hybrid environment. Now we'll look at the delegation information. We've got our in this case we're using this user here, test notes 28 user. They've been set up previously with a mailbox, and if we look at the delegation information, it's some information here. Now actually this is not a standard out-the-box configuration for delegation, because this is a non-standard configuration, and we'll show you. The reason we have this is to show you a bit how the delegation really works, because otherwise it just ticks a green box and you don't really see a great deal. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click on the migrate delegation settings, and it's going to fail. Now the reason it's going to fail is, as it says here, the delegate update error. The access control combination was not found in the access control file. The way delegation works is it has to map notes delegation settings onto Exchange delegation settings. Now, the way we do that is we disclose this, and this is we have an XML file. And here it is. This is a configuration file. It's a standard text file in XML format, and this is the out-of-the-box configuration. These configuration options match the standard notes delegation or delegation settings, or surrogate settings some people call them, and you can modify this. So if you have allowed users to edit their own ACLs, which is very unwise, but some people may do that, you can match the delegation settings here. So we can see that if you're an author, for instance, with the 3 different settings here of yes, 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 then your calendar access control is author, your contacts is author, and so forth. And there's also your received copies flag in Exchange. So there's a simple mapping of information from notes into Exchange configuration information. So we're going to just get rid of that down there, and if we now, what we want to do is we want to edit this to be a valid value. So I happen to know that really author is an out-of-the-box configuration setting. So this was originally set up just to show it failing and how it really works. And now if we migrate the delegation settings, it works. Now we have a look at it now. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Delegation, no information, and it's been passed across. That's a simple for how the delegation works. Now we'll look at a bit of the back-end configuration for a couple of minutes. In addition to the notes configuration element, there's a simple admin WPF application, and this allows you to fast start your configuration. When you install the elements to do with the project, there is one real thing you have to do, and that is quite often there is a need to set a whole series of different passwords, especially in an environment with Windows 2008 and where your LDAP server may not be co-located with your domain controllers. And here, these are this is the password information. This is held in an encrypted file on the so that the passwords are safe, but you can edit it with this application. There's the Active Directory settings and the delegation settings. Now I'm not going to go through all the detail of it, but all these are documented in the manual. But the idea is you can quite quickly change any of the information you want here. If you want to manage a different virtual directory, you can select the different virtual directory list. This is using the default out-the-box version, and you can change to the security IDs you want to use. So that is a quick fast start admin application, and really that's about it. And look forward to you using our application. Thank you.